Trader Mike. A couple minutes late, but we were busy in the room, and now you get a free looky at what we're doing. So, how to get things situated. We got in a trade. Guy gave me a symbol in the room. I did a quick analysis on it. I liked it. It was at a stopping station, so we did an entry on it. We have an average of around 141, and we're taking profits right now at 150 going through on the stock right now on FXCM. See it right here? And now I am live on Ticker TV. We go to the 1-minute chart on trading pre-market. Test. Yep, it's working good. I'll buy on the redip at 141 again and below. We have a box on it now. Top 150, low 1. What was the low print? 136. $0.15 box. Played some good tunes last night. Why the room's so good? Because we're built to last. I like that song. My Disney cut.
There are times when you can pack it. There are times when you must fall. You can take a ton of wrecking, but you can't take it all.
Halt the trading.
Times when I can help you out, and times when you must fall. There are times when you can leave and die, and I can't help it all.
Halt the trading. Sick. I told you. What did I tell you 5 minutes ago, right? What do you mean? Dude, I told you 5 minutes ago it was going to halt trading. Okay, first of all, let me update the sales. Okay? My average was 141. Whose average was lower than 141? If you waited on buy number 2, your average was lower than mine. Sell average 148. Have 8,000 left. I didn't sell it all. 140. Good job. Have a quarter of the position left. They didn't come down to rebuy it back. It just went right back up. I told you it was going to happen. There's a chance when these things are up big, they don't halt. But when they're down, told you. Dude, it might open at $2. We might get rich. Trader Phil. Dude, that thing opens up at 180 now, dude. You're going to go to $2. You'll love it. Just made you 50 cents. Lucky you got more than I do left. Yeah. How long's the halt? Who knows? Dude, I told you as soon as we bought it, be careful. Look at halt. As soon as we bought it, at 177, stopping station. Entry 1,000. We waited. Okay? 76 or 27. We waited for 27. And we bought at 36. We waited for lower than 43. We bought the big down there at 36 to get 10,000. Then we bought 5,000 more up to 145, had an average of 140 and 142, and everybody just sold right there at 49, 50. It was there for so long. What, are you going to sit there with a big old block when I told you to think of halt trading? Come on, guys. Want to see who took profits? Who took profits? Want to see? Look. Here's the day trading room. Pink. 147 and 148. Pro Trader Sale sold 149. Morgan sold 853, or you made 853. Dude, I went live. Everyone started buying. Too much stuff went in. Profit 853. Not bad. It's 9:30 in the morning. You're done for the day. Colin made 500 and sold at 150 because you're a pro trader. Look, every single pro trader sold. Look, Morgan, Phil. Phil's stuck. I don't know why he didn't sell. Alan, Sale, Morgan, Colin. Who else? Who else sold into the surge? You see my newsletter this morning? 148. You see my newsletter? Let me show you my newsletter this morning. What was the title of the newsletter? Anyone remember? The swing? The morning update? Look. What was the... Look. Here's the morning update. Mojo tip. Must be quick and nimble in this market. Take half profit on initial surge, maximize the rest. That's the tip in the swing. We did that on FRO yesterday, and we were buying it back at 325 range and lower. But can you believe that? It's quick and nimble, baby. Dude, this is day trading. This ain't even swing. So I have a good feeling it's going to open up higher. We'll see what it does. You couldn't get out? Why not, Phil? It was trading at 150 on the ask like a banshee. All you got to do is put a limit order in, get a rebate, and sell at 148-ish. Look how long it traded at 150. You ready? Watch. 150. 151. It went through 150. You're being greedy. It's not that you couldn't get out, it's you were greedy. Must have been greedy. Can't see anything. Your average was 152. Then you didn't wait for my second entry. I told everybody to wait for my second entry. Correct? Everybody. I told you to wait. Let me do it for number 2. You were buying originally at 36 range and 40. And it moved. It's moving. Numbers are moving. What's up, Grant? Exciting business. Dude, I still got some shares left too. It only can go down $1.50. It's only at $1.50. Let's see where it opens up. Imagine if it opens up at like $1.80, 60, 70, and it rips. We go. That's what we do. Yo, Nugget, can you want to see something? You weren't here this morning, of course, but check this out. Okay, I'm never touching another red stock again. I wasn't going to do that one, FXCM. You saw me hesitate, but it was just at such a good stopping station with volume. Thought we'd take a nice bounce and a shot at it, and that's it. So anyway, I thought of it as a businessman and a trader. Should have thought of it just as a businessman and backed away. That's what Alan would have done. Tried to keep me guided. Pro trader Alan. So let me show you this. This morning I come in and Nugget is up 58 cents. JNUG is down 65. Now JNUG is up $1.20 and Nugget's up 59. It happened, dude. I'm telling you. It's like, dude, these are my kids every morning. I just watch this little group and I'm like, dude, your underwear's on backwards. Your shoes are on the wrong feet. What the hell are you doing? He's like, oh boy, I better fix that. Now he's okay at $1.29. Like, you know, kids do that every little now and then, you know. Alright, let's get ready for the open. Screw this little stock. I didn't even get to do my morning routine because we did that. Who do I have to thank for that? Who gave me the FXCM? Renee. Renee, you're banned from picks, buddy. Never again. And you're new too. Here's the rules of the room right here. Check it out. I'm good with the picks. You don't have to put out no picks. I thought we'd be able to be out of it. I didn't think it would be halted. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got today. UVXY up and down like a banshee. I'm looking at two stocks. You ready? Zyop and ATVI. ATVI long through Heinz 20. ATVI Heinz 20. Bid 70 to 75, buy 80, 85, double up in the 90s. ATVI. Heinz 20. We're doing a sequence. 1970 to 75, entry number 1. BBRY, entry number 1. 1020 to 25, double it 25 to 30, and add 31 for entry 3. ATVI, get ready to add here. Squeeze 75. Filled entry 2 on ATVI. BBRY, fill here. Just do the sequences, guys. ATVI, we're going to sell half at 90. Right here. Now we'll do the box you should have sold. EXXI, our swing is starting to make a little bit of movement. Keep a watch on it. I'm out of half of ATVI. Heinz 20 right there. Sold more. Sold more. 2004. Zyop through 8. Two buys. Bing, bing. ATVI flat. Trade play successful. Great job. We'll look to rebuy back at 77. 1982 to 77 right here. Rebuy back. 1977 to 82 only for an entry. If it doesn't do it, no fill. Just put a bid in. BBRY sold half. Wait for ATVI. Just wait for it. A little bit more, we'll be done for the day. Just sold a little bit more BBR1. I'm going to hold the rest until 45 plus, and I'm going to rebuy back at 47.48. Swing picks, nothing fancy. Nothing up or down really big at all. Except Radio Shack, it's down. Big deal. I'm eyeing JDST. BBRY got a quarter left. Looking to get out of the rest if it dips under 25. Then we'll just buy it back. Alright, here comes ATVI. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I'm liking JDST right here at $8 to go through and move through the high of 810 and Nugget and JNug come down. Small. Let's do a trend trade on that. So we'll buy like 2,000 goal and we'll buy 4 times, 500 shares each, 4 times. Cost $25 on the way in to do this trade, but we'll have a great average by the time we're done. So I'd go $8 to $8.05 right here. The next one plus or minus 5. And then the next one after that plus or minus 5. And then we'll have a good little trend trade going on that. So BBRY, I'm flat. We'll rebuy it back. ATVI, let's do a 1977 with great patience to 82 entry. I wouldn't wait for my number 2. I would just go for the 100 shares right here because this is what we were waiting for. EXXI, new high of the day. I think the street's got a flutter to something. It may be ZIOP right now. So I'm going to add on ZIOP to go through 810. It'll go to 850. And we'll go through Hines. So we'll sell it up at 30 to 35, and then we'll play it up at 50. Good job on BBRY. Nice job on JDST. We're going to be done soon. I'm selling ATVI. Don't have a lot of it, but I'm just selling it.
Knocking at my door. Go away, don't come out here no more. Can't you see that it's late at night? I'm very tired, and I'm not feeling right. All I wish is to be alone. Stay away, don't you invade my home. Best out if you hang outside. Don't come in, I'll only run and hide.
Sold ATVI 87. JDST I'm adding now. $8.04. Yo, ZIOP and JDST are the same exact price. We've done that. Remember, Alan? That was like a week or two ago. We did that on a couple of stocks. Remember? They were both like the same price. Yeah. Look, JDST 804 by 809, 8 by. Give it a minute. It'll go 804 by 809. Uh, 1019 and below on, there's a signal on BBRY on the bid at 1019. Ooh, plugs up a big 3 cents. People are killing it. Yeah. Damn, look at. Hey, Mojo, yeah, Matt. Look where Depot, I was going to do a trade in Depot. Look where it stopped. $17.76. Can you believe that? There's the room, folks. You want to see 100 pro traders? Right here. Here's a room of 100 pro traders. You want to become a pro trader? Look. Pro trader, pro trader, pro trader, pro trader, pro trader. Everybody's pro trader. They've all taken MOJO University. They all make a living every single day coming to this room. Right, pros? How much you make today? How much you make today so far? It's 9:43. $2,400 made already today. Beautiful job. What a bounce on Depot. ATVI. Here we go. 1975, 77 entry. Do number 2 plus or minus 3. Done. Let's get Nugget and JNug reversing down a little bit. Get JDST to make a run right through that 818, and we're going to sell it. Next time it runs up to that, we're selling it. We've got a good box go on it. I like you guys again. Swing entry, 407 to 12. Give it a little room. Wait a little bit. Okay, Zyop add time. I'm going to add 500 Zyop. And then I'm going to go for a bigger entry, whether it goes lower or higher. Just got to wait for some volume to come in and a movement to happen in it. Time to add on JDST. Finally. Out of the 500, I'm going to pay an extra $5 on this one to the dealer. I'm going to do 200 out of the next 5. I'll pay $10 for two pieces, a 200 and a 300, and then I got one more 500 to go. ATVI number 2 right here, 965 and below to 950. So as soon as it approaches 965 and it gets anywhere, we'll look to time number 2 on ATVI. Here's 65. Let it get some steam under that, and then we'll buy. Let it be patient for a second. I added JDST. Let me go check out the ticker for a minute. Yeah, I have a 50% off trial, and that is the chat room. Good job, Colin. 1,300. Who else made money today so far? Anybody up today so far? Alright, let's take 1968 here. 67. It's not going under 65. Let's take number 2 here. ATVI. And then we'll do number 3, part 1. Higher. Into the 70s. Go 72. Zyop, I'm selling through 8. 3/4 of it. And boxing. Great trade play there. ATVI added. I got one more part to do in that one. 76, and then we'll sell in the 80s. $77 is where I buy my other JDST. Dude, I got 8,000 shares of this FXCM stuck in this piece of crap ass. Mojo University lesson. Right there. You don't trade red stocks. I told you that stock would halt. Did I tell you it would halt? Did I tell you, as soon as we did it, did I tell you it could halt? ATVI add 76. It's going to 80. Sell in the 80s on plan. Follow the plan. After we build the position for the trend trade in JDST, we can buy another block of 1,000 or 2 when we're done. And anybody could trade with Mojo because this stock's traded 3 million shares. It's at $20. That's, you know, what is that, $600 million worth of stock? Anybody could trade here with Mojo. We ain't affecting this stock. Look at EXXI, guys. Signal. See it? Mojo U. Signal at 250. the 613. JDST 777, it's here. Nice patience. Add 500, last one. Now you got 4 500 share buys. Cost you 20 bucks. I'll buy another 500. Just because I like it. Cost you 20 bucks. And you bought everyone on the bid, so you got a rebate of $4. And it only cost you 16 if you're a rebate trader. Because we bought it every single time it was coming down. Beautiful signal on EXXI. I love it. BBRY, I also love it. Entry right here. This was the signal at 1019 that I said it was going to go to. Let's take it right here. 1020 to 21 entry. The next entry is below that 19 and or back at 24.25 squeeze. And we sell back at 30. Just like we did before at 33. Little Miss UVXY is turning into the Hulk. Ready? Bruce Banner. Bruce Banner. Roar. I'm Bruce Banner. I'm Heinzing the Hulk. Roar.
1, 2, 3.
Roar. Smash.
Big wheels keep on turning, giving me home to sing like you, singing songs about the Southland. I'm a South man once again, and I think it's the same. Well, I heard Mr. Young sing about it. Well, I heard O'Neal put it down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember. I said that man don't need him around anyhow.
How sweet was that? I want to show you it moved fast, okay? But watch how many people made money on that. Pros. Who Heinz UVXY? Yep. What was your sell? 33.04 average? Three. Psst. Awesome. Awesome. And you still get out right now. It's still the same price. It went to 33.11 on that blast through. Let me see. It went to 12, 13. EXXI still has the signal there. Not a lot's happening, folks. We're going into wave theory now. We're going into wave theory. Alright, there's a signal on Ziop. I'm going to add back through 8. 797 is a signal at 93 with a no intention to buy bid by UBS Securities at 96. Do you see that? There's an NITB by UBS at 796 with a signal of 73 on the ask at 8. First come, first serve. I think it goes higher. I'm going to add positive expectancy through that. BBRY got added, and I'm going to sell at 30. Follow the plan. That's the target. Follow the plan. EXXI, it's taken away the signal. Are those guys at 49 absolutely crazy and nuts, Mojo U, or what? Look at them all at 49. Why are they there? It may take a while, but look. Why are they there? Are they crazy, stupid, or they need shares? Or are they short? All 4. Durr! Give it some time. It'll go through. Not a lot of fast movement today, but we'll get something somewhere again. This is wave theory. So we went woo on the open. Then we went woo here. Now we're going into like this now. Mojo wave theory. So this first move was 40 cent. Next one was 20. Next one was 10. Now we're looking in these. We're in the 10 and the 5. We're in like no move zones until it decides in the afternoon or later on which way it wants to go. And we're usually done, which we are for the day right here. People have already made nice money. 1,300, 455, 2,400. Yeah, I offer. You can get that Dash Trader platform file. Give me your email. Send me an email. I'll send it to you. ATVI ad. Had it in my journal not to stay too long because of what Newell did over the summer. Exactly. I'm selling ATVI for some profits going in here to the 80s. Selling to 1975 and greater. Signal at 77. UBS is still there with his 100. Now these guys right here are crazy and stupid. And get ready on Zyop, guys. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. The ice cream man just came. Let's see who missed him. See him? Ice cream man, stop me when I'm passing by. Oh my my! Get ready to sell BBRY. Oh my my! Major likes it. Oh dude, it's going up. Dude, Major, he loves it. Oh, I'm buying more.
Dedicate one to the lady. Sometimes it's bad, something to keep you cool.
Here we go, here we go. You ready? BBRY, get ready. Sell time, profits.
Better look at now.
Chasers.
Date's got something for you. Tell you what it is. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. Oh my my, I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. See now all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Hold on a second there. I gotta put my money in Dixie cups. All flavors and push-ups too. I'm your ice cream man, baby. Stop me when I'm passing by. See now all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Hold on one more. Well, I'm usually passing by just by 11 o'clock. I never stop. I'm usually passing by just around 11 o'clock. And if you let me cool you one time, you be my regular style. Alright, boys. Now put my banana on Dixie cups. All flavors and push-ups too. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. See now all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Yes. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. They say all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Oh, one time. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. They say all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. One time, boys. I'm your ice cream man.
Okay, JDST. Add the last 500 and then buy a block of 500. This is the fourth one. Then add another 5. Yo, what's going on with this Zyop? All this on the bid and it hasn't blown through the 8 yet? I may buy the last 2,000 right here. JDST filled. Nice, nice, nice. JDST is a trend trade, bro. It's not a regular day trade. It was to buy 4 times throughout the day, and then 1 more time or 2 more times after that on the 4th one. Right here. If you look at 9:38 a.m. in the Mojo room right here, we're going to do a trend trade, 500 shares 4 times starting at $8 and see which way it goes, a nickel each way. And now we're down at the low down here on JDST, correct. EXXI is through the signal now, guys. EXXI is taking out the ask now. So it's going to go up and then come down. New high of the day, 251. Great job, swingers. I'm see if Nugget tests 19, and then we'll do another 500. This will be the top on the Nugget, and then it'll come down a buck. JDST will run right back to 780. Let's take a look at some charting. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'll take another one on Nugget. I'll take JDST right here. I'll do 500 more. I'll do 1,500 more. Now it's turned more into a day trade. I'll do 1,500 here, and then I'll do 5,000 more on JDST. So as a day trade right here, I'm going pretty big. I'm going to do 1,000 for that trend. And then I'm going to start a little day trade for 10,000. Boom. Do that one right now. The trend. Do 1,000, a 5 and a 5. And I'm doing entry number 1. I'm at 10,000 goal. Watch the scaling. You ready? 747 filled. Doesn't make a difference. The next one is 733 or 749 to 51. Look how close I am on the upside, but how far on the downside. So I'm in right here for a day trade. If it goes lower, I'll wait to buy here. But if it goes higher, I'm buying closer. Okay, BBRY again right here, 1022 and below. Smaller though. I'm not going big on the BBRY. Smaller on BBRY at 1022 bid and below. We just sold it at where? 36? BBRY sold average 1033. Now we're buying it back for the stops. Smaller though. All right, Nugget is at 19 now. So this should be the pop through and then the come down. And I'm expecting JDST maybe take a little dip, and if it stabilizes, boom, it goes right up. Just like the perfect storm. Little Cupid top coming on the Nugget on the 5-minute. It's a beautiful thing. Don't even private message me. Don't even private message me. Start a bump trade on Ziop at 777 to 82. Roll time, JDST, guys. 61. Be ready. We sell into the surges the same way we bought on the way in. Sell 6 times, 30 bucks. Big deal. Get a nice average on the way out, and you'll make a nice profit. Okay? You want to sell 760 and above. 770, right into that range. Comes back down to where you bought at 747, we rebuy. It's called a box. They got to break one side of it, either the lower side at 47 and or that higher side at 57 to 60. So let's see which side they break. They break 60. So day trade, sold. Swing trade, still in. That's how we do it. Ziop filled some bump. 775, 772, and 67. I got 10,000 more to go. So we'll see what it does. ATVI 0% touch on the STO. We buy entry number 1 right here, 59 to 60. Entry number 2. Is at 44, much lower or closer up top right here at 66. Filled Ziop. I'm taking all this. Filled ATVI. I think JDST gets to 70 now. Let's see if it makes the pop. I want to get out of one of these. I don't want to keep on trading 3 stocks. I want to get down to 1 or 2. All Alright, I just got filled on some of that. Got 3K to go for the bump, and then I'll look to do another 10. I'm taking it right here. I'll sell back into right here at 765, 770 at this point. I don't need it to go back up right here. Look how nice we've caught BBRY. Sold, bought, sold, bought. Every time it comes down, we buy. Every time it goes up, we sold. If you haven't done that, you got greedy, you've missed everyone. Alright, signal at 760, squeezing 5,000. Get back there. Done. Did 2. Only 2. Save some for you guys. Come on, give me 70 on JDST right now, baby. Know it can do it. Beautiful. Just beautiful. We're getting 70 now. Be patient on the sell up here. Major likes it. Dude, Major's even said it himself. He likes it. Looks like we're going to get 770 now. BBRY sell here. 1031 again. Looking on the money. Alan, you said Lonesome Depot 1950.
Me and my uncle went riding down.
I don't even have to look. I don't gotta look. Long Depot 1950. Heinz 20. Thank Alan. I don't even gotta look at it. Wild trade play. Alan called it. Don't even gotta look.
3 days in the saddle, you know my body hurt. It did summer, I took off my shirt, and I tried to wash off some of that dusty dirt. A wet Texas cowboy, well, there's all around. We liquor and money, put it down. So soon as the payday, no, it seems strange. You the number, he starts to play the game. There's a hollow track and the winner take that.
Zaya, profitable now. Coming into profit big time on this baby. JDST as well. I'm giving it to the end of this 5-minute bar to get through the 70, and it looks like it is. So let's see if it does it. It's got to get right now through it. EXXI is going to head back to 51 now. Look at the monster ask on JDST. That's Allen selling right there at 70. Right, Allen? You just sold at 70, right? That was Allen on EdgeX through Scott Trade. He's Mr. Scott. He's Mr. Allen Trade. See, yes? All that 770 on EdgeX, the 10,000, that was him. He just sold that. I could tell where all the orders, I'm like my own little market maker. I could tell where all the orders come in. I know where it's going. I could see that. Zaya profits, we're back in them, okay, at 770. The highest we sold ATVI was almost 75. I think it's going to go back there right now. I have some of that, so we'll look to sell that back into the high. JDST, I'm going to sell up like at 80, see if it, like I mentioned, Nugget, when it starts that reversal down, remember yesterday? You go back to the chart on Nugget. See that? So this will be the JDST coverage right here. Okay? That's our bump trade right here. This is where we bought all the shares to get an average right where it is now. I can write again. Alan, I did it yesterday and you didn't have it in my journal. Nice job on the bump. I just wrote it again. Go ahead, you could say it now, big guy. Yeah. Oh, my monitor's messed up. See if it happened on my other systems. Lost connection. You guys lose connection? Anybody lose connection? Yeah. Let me open up look at my other one. My other ones are up. Let me see if I could switch. Look, Magic Highway, guys. On ATVI, look. That's what Magic Highway looks like. Look, remember? Here. 19, look, and that's Magic Highway right there. Right here. The Magic Highway. Oh yeah, it's all messed up. Everything got switched around. Dude, I got too many JDST and too many ZIOP. Because ZIOP's moving. They're all like, oh, hold it. We got to hold the market. Mojo's doing something. Depot Med going to 500. I guess. And Depot was 1850, right? Not 1950. Yeah, system's down. Okay. Let's check out the TV. Yeah, we bought FXCM. It's back up. We're still in some of it. Some people sold it. Alright, ATVI 74. I like that. Back up on the zip. I like that. Let's make this bigger here. JDST is beautiful. Beautiful bump on ZIOP. Magnificent. BBRY is awesome. We hit every ebb and flow on it, amazing. And Depot is out of control. Alan, what's your cost on Depot, bud? $19.25, is that your cost? Or is that what you called wow? What's your price? $19.27. Great job. Nice wow trade play right there. Where'd it go after that? You still in it or you sold it? Sold at 49 to 50 and said wow at 27. Pretty good. It was at 1021. See if I have it down here if these are accurate. So at 1021, yeah, you're right. You bought at 19. You're right. You bought off 27. But I don't see. That went to 40. Yeah, we sold. Some people didn't sell, but most of us sold. I sold 3/4. I got a quarter of it left. What about you, Joe Trader Pro? How about you in your room? Did you buy it for your room? Because you run a room too. Cat got your tongue? Cat got your finger? Can't type no more, Joe? Joe Trader Pro. Okay, EXXI right back to the 250. Size again on the ask. They'll take it out. It'll test and go back down. Maybe go a little higher again. They got it trapped very nicely. Same way we're doing the ATVI. Trader D777. Are you in the room with him? Busted? You're probably with him, bruh. I believe you, as a matter of fact. I could tell by the questions people ask. Did you buy FXAM? You sold before it got halted? Dude, what kind of real person looking to trade and get information to benefit themselves would never ask something like that? Somebody that would look to like try to throw somebody under the bus, make them look bad, or run their own would ask a question like that. So I could ban Joe Trader Pro, actually. There's a ban feature. Let me see. I could kick him out or mute him. And we'll see what he does. Yeah, you could trade with Sure Trader for $3,000. They give you 18 grand in buying power. You make 5% to 10% a day. That's what I teach the methods. Give you an update on the trades. Got left that little piece of crap, FXCM. I'm actually profitable in it. Average is 141. It halted at 150. See what this guy's got to say. EXXI new high of the day, and now it's going to come back down. So they took out the ask again, and now it's at the HOD and it's going to come down. No. Trader D77, you can't attend class. Yeah, they're all recorded and you can do that. But if you can't attend class, I wouldn't do it. I'd say nah. Not the right place for you. You work at nights 8 to 10 p.m.? Sorry. How does your chat room look? How does your trade chat room look? Do I have to be in MOJO University? No, MOJO University is $1,500 to go through the course. You can do whatever you'd like. You can join the room. You can do whatever you want. Here's the Mojo room. We got 80 pro traders in there right now. Every one of these people has paid. Alan, how much you pay for coaching when I coached you? He's been with me for 2 years. Pro trader Alan right here. Alan, how long you been with me? Colin, how long you been with me? JV, 2 years. Alan, what you make on a monthly basis? He makes like $2,000 a day, 20,000. He makes what, 40 grand a month? Since the beginning, JV, long time. Long time. EXXI made a nickel, sold. Where I tell you it was going to go to, what I tell you it was going to do. You ready? Look, 248 again. JDST rebuy. Smaller. And then we're done for the day after this trade. The next one is 733 or back up at 59 to 61. So look at what we do again. We buy here. Okay? And if it goes lower, we're going to wait for it to gap before we buy again. If it goes higher, we buy very close. And then we look to sell. Here's the increment. We look to sell into that next increment. Half. And then see if the next half goes higher, and then it'll make a Cupid top, and we love it. We're done with the trade. So as I told people in Mojo University, see the stock at 760? From 750, it already created this one bar. It goes the next bar 760. It goes the next bar 770. And look, that's the end. There's your Cupid top. So I already know from the level 2 what it's going to do in the chart before the chart even makes it. JDST, 10 cents plus is good. You know, after we sell for 10 cents plus, it'll run for 50, but it's fine. ATVI sell here, 1975 and higher. So I have, if you guys want, the Mojo Day Trading room. I have a poker tournament tonight, actually. You can do a couple things. You go to the More, and you go to the poker club. Got the tournament tonight. Right here, the Mojo Poker Club. Let me do a little tweet ski. Mojo Poker Club tournament, the January Classics tonight. Come play along. I love Twitter. Okay, JDST I'm selling. Then we're going to call it a day, guys. Phil JDST, selling more into the ask. Put that here. You can love me 3 times, baby.
Love me 2 times, baby. Love me twice today. Love me 2 times, girl. I'm gone away. Love me 2 times, girl. 1 for tomorrow, 1 just for today. Love me 2 times. I'm gone away. Love me 1 time. But not me. Love me 1 time. Yeah, my knees got weak. Love me 2 times, girl. Love me all through the week. Love me 2 times. I've gone away.
Is the market closed Monday, bro? Gotta check it out on the MOJO website, man. I got it there. Check it out. Let's go to the blog. And then I got right here November, right before the new year, put up the holidays. So we got, yeah, bro. I got to put up the new one for 2015. Yep. New holiday schedule. So if you want to join MOJO Day Trading, you click Get Started. And then right here is the offer for 50% off. The day trading to 250 trades a month, 95% correct. We've won on every trade today, except a little FXCM for some people there. So then we got the combo pack and the swing. The swing is a newsletter. I'll show it to you. Here's the swing. Let me open my PowerPoint. So there's the newsletter. The newsletter sent out every Sunday night. You get 2 to 5 new picks every single Sunday night before the market opens Monday morning that you can trade. And just like the day trading room, I have a couple keen trade plays that I swing and I do. I've got rules for the newsletter that the people follow. Just like the day trading room, when a new pick goes up 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, do not wait for my signal. You guys got a smartphone, you put money in it, you should watch your portfolio at least once per day, in the morning and then in the afternoon, and then you'll catch those waves. Don't wait for me to send you a signal to sell. These things move so fast, it's crazy. Look at the PGH that we had at 285. Okay, stock went right here yesterday. Let me go to the 5-minute. Look at the run it makes yesterday. It goes yesterday. Right here is an indication of it pre-market. Went to 285. Stock went to 293. Stock went to 296. And then it makes a run. Stock goes in the morning to 314 pre-market. Stock's up here at the open at 310, 307, sell, 306, sell, sell, sell. Get out of that thing. What are you going to wait for? Greed? More greed? And look, if you didn't sell, you had a chance to here, and then it got demolished all the way back down to where we bought it. We waited, actually, until, that's it. And that's how you do it. Now we can do BBRY one more time smaller for the fourth time. I usually don't like to tap the fourth time, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to pass. BBRY, I'm going to fold this one. Just mark it, see what happens. For the buy at 10.22 to 10.23. Positive expectancy in 2015 for $500,000 to $1 million for Pro Trader Allen, absolutely. 10-cent in the wave theory is excellent, yep. The markets closed Monday, first time sitting in the room, paper traded 632 in profits, very impressive, good job. Trade Station, forget to mention HMY was a fantastic pick, yes, thank you, sis, yes. You can love me 2 times.
Love me 2 times, I've gone away. Oh, yeah!
What stock did I mention this morning that I love for the swing that I liked again? And we missed it because I've been so busy. What pick was it that I liked really a lot, again, to get back in, that I really liked it? Yep, look at it. Can you believe it, Pez? I can't believe it, right, dude? Look, at the lows, at 415, 420, stock's 455. Look at that. I said, dude, we're going to buy it, right, this morning, and I'm like, yeah, doing so much. Right, Pez? Let me show you the rest of the swing. So listen, selling to them surges, man. Like I'm doing so many things. Mental stops, don't worry about it. We scale in. I do an analysis of the week of what I think is going to happen and the portfolio and what we're adding. 4 new trade plays, no add-ons, and 5 watches. My industry groups for the week. My comic strip for the week. He says, Hobbs, this new MOJO pick's flying high. We're up big time. Listen. Don't get greedy. Follow the rules and maximize. Just as I did this morning in the Swing Trade newsletter, and that's what I sent out. Look, before anything, you must be quick and nimble in the market. Take half profit on the initial surge, maximize the rest. Don't wait for me. That happened with FRO yesterday. We bought it, and it made a surge up, and we sold it. So now we're back in it again. Let me show you FRO. So FRO right here, how we traded that, same way this morning. Okay, we sold it up yesterday here at 365. We're buying it back at 325. Okay. Either Nuggets going back to 1905 or JDST's going to 8. One of the two from this particular point. Do I care? No, I'm just saying. You got in at 416 on you guys. Great. Took some at 422. Good job, Pez. Great job. So here's the rest of the Swing newsletter. I do a portfolio update on every stock that we have in the portfolio and what's going on with it. Then I do the top 4 or 5 for the week. Here's the top one. EXXI. We already bought and sold that for a profit. My number 1 pick. Noro, my number 2. PGH, already bought and sold for a profit. Amrin, already bought and sold for a profit. Watch list for the week. HTCH, huge breakout. Went from 370 to 470, up a buck. Zynga, on the watch, hasn't done anything. CHYR, on the watch, hasn't done anything. MDR, on the watch, has moved a little bit up and down. WTT, on the watch, hasn't done anything. And that's the watch list and the Swing newsletter for the week of January 12th. You want to be a subscriber? You could do that. 95% of the people in the MOJO Day Trading Room are a member of the Swing Trade newsletter. They're on the combo pack for $149 a month. They pay $99 for the Day Trade Room and $49 for the Swing. Here's your results. Swing. Here is the portfolio of closed positions for the month. Blues are winners, reds are losers. And red, we sold MNGA at 50. The next day it was back at 85. Very upset about it. But hey, hadn't taken a loss in a long time, so it kind of felt good to take a loss, actually. So here's all the winners, the scale ins and the scale outs. Ameren bought at $1.07, sold at $1.14 on the 13th. The next day it went to 15, reversed, sold at 11. Said, what am I going to wait for it to go back to 7 where it is now and make nothing? Stock made 3% and the stock made 6.5 in a day. I'll take it. EXXI from 265 to 69, sold 258 because we bought more. That's 69 for a 4.2 and 1.5. And this one for a 5.8. And now we're in it again at 239. So if we didn't sell here at 273, we wouldn't be owning it right now at 239. And EXXI is 250 and we sold half again. So here's the swing. EXI we're in at 240, 252, up 5%. Stock's half gone already. Okay? FRO 325, actual cost basis is 322. From the sells we did right here at 365 and 358. All right. I figured the person called 7 times. I should take the call. The person called me 7 times. I think I should probably take the call. So I had to put it on mute. Anyway, here's the ending of the portfolio. FRO 334 sold for a 7% gain. So why wouldn't I take the 7%? I just bought it back at 20. 22. If I didn't take that 7% gain and I wasn't watching, you missed it. And then I sent out the signal to buy it back. Radio Shack said buy more, 27. Stock went to 33. Up 15%. What are you just going to watch it go all the way up, come all the way back down? We still have half the position right up here at the 40, 34 cents. Where is that? 41. But that add-on at 27, the stock ran in an hour, 15%. I'm going to take it. I'll look to rebuy it back. All right? JDST is blinking all over my screen. It's profit time. 780. Let's move out of some more of JDST, and then we'll look to rebuy it back. You should be flat. We'll look to rebuy it back at 95 and above only, because then it'll move through 8. But sell here in the 85 range. Thank you. Told you BBRY was a good buy. Didn't trade it that last one, but I told you it was. And that's pretty much it. Let's get a tally on the day, do our poll, then we'll wrap it up. It's 11 o'clock. This is when we usually finish for the day in the Mojo room. So if you'd like to join, you've seen it all. Here's what we do every day. I do a poll. Please take part in the poll, everybody. Turn on your speakers, or do the poll. Let them know a poll's coming up, because some people don't have the speakers on. So I got a little poll I do every day. It's 11 o'clock right now. We've done 10 trades. We've traded JDST. We've traded ATVI. We did trade that FXCM. We traded BBRY. And from those trades, and we traded Depot on Allen's awesome call. Have you hit your goal? Not yet hit your goal? Tripled your goal, doubled your goal, lost money, paper traded and made money? You should sell BBRY now again. Don't miss that. If you did buy at 22, 23, please sell it again at 30 and above, which we've done 3 times. PGH has moved back above 3 in the swing. If you got it. EXXI is moving back above 50. UGAS is now 74. Sell half of UGAS if you bought it this morning, which you guys did. $4.74 from 4.22 from 4.24. It's 50 cents on the money for you. ATVI right here at 80 should be flat out. Look to get back in it at 95 and above. It's 75 and greater now. You got that left. And that's pretty much it. Ziop bumped and got out, thank goodness. JDST super well in that one. Bought some down on the trend trade and bought some for the day trade. So we just did magnificent. That's pretty much it. So we've got 14 people that hit the goal. One person has not yet hit the goal, and who could that be? Someone he knew has to be. Oh, Al, you just got here or something? What's up, bud? How come you didn't hit your goal? That's impossible. How much you guys make today? Let's wrap it. Show me the money. Job, Rocky. Job, Colin. Job, Pez. Job, Music. Nice job, Rambo, 3700. Job, Bohan, 314. Job, guys. Who else made money? Job, Nori, 850. Nice job, C-Jet. Second day here, bro. Nice job, Mike G. Job, Renee. Job, Pratt. Nice job, Scrib. Job, Iceman. Nice job, everyone. We got a deal. Remember.
Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without.
Nice job, Iceman and Scrib. Anybody else? Anybody else? Good news on FXCM? No freaking way, dude. Really? Really? Really good news? Really? 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 I got some left. Really? Really? Woohoo! Average is 41. What a great day. Ooh, there is an announcement on Yahoo Finance. Of course I buy one to buy and sell, Joe. Come on, dude. What are you doing? Nice, dude. Good news, bro. Dude, 6 bull, no way. 697? You're out of here, dude. No freaking way, dude. No way. You're kidding me. No way. Get out of town! Get out of town, dude! You're crazy, man. You're crazy. I don't even want to think that. I don't even think that, dude. That's too much. Dude, that's serious. Look at JDST. I got some left, baby. That's swing trend trade mamacita. Day trade's done right here, but the swing trend trading, baby. Money, baby. Ooh, I'm excited. 90 times. Times. Get back. I'm on blackjack. Keep your hands off of my stack. Money is a hit. Don't hit me back. Good bullshit. I'm in the high fidelity, first class traveling section. They taught me to live just. Guys, JDST came from 760 to 90. I don't think we should test times. I think we should sell the trend trade, not do the day trade and pass, and sell 3/4 of the trend. Okay? If it goes, wonderful. We did great. I'm trying to decide what package. Joe Trader Pro. What's your handle, Joe, on us on Twitter? So let's sell the JDST. Just filled 94. Dude, FXCM opens up at $2. Dude, the stock was $6.28. Imagine if it opened up back at $6. Oh my god. Dude, if it opens up back at 6, if it opens up back at 628, yes. Yes. Otherwise, you're still banned from giving picks. If it doesn't open up at 6, you're banned. Yes, it can open up anytime, like right now. I'm flat on JDST on all positions. Awesome job. BBRY, you should be flat now, right at the target, 10:30 and above, just like we've done every single time today. Right now, be out. You just got filled. BBRY filled. 10:30, same exact as last. If it goes higher after, who cares? You didn't pay for that. That's it. This is your liquidity and your rebate. So if you bought before for $5 twice, and now you're selling, you're getting a rebate. Because you're selling on the ask. Like a champ. Like a champ. Making moves, baby. Yeah, you got no history on that site, Joe Trader Pro. Gonzo on DRYS right now. Look at it. Don't buy it, but there's a Gonzo. You see it? See that Gonzo? It's pretty big, man. Dude, that'll send it up 20 cents. Traded BBRY real nice today. I'll keep that one up on the screen because we traded that one real nice. And that's it, guys. So let's end it for today. This is what I do every day in the Mojo room. There's 20 days to trade every month. We're done for the day, and it's 11 a.m. We hit our goals for the day, therefore the trading room is done. We're not going to stay open. Yeah, I'll keep the trading room open, no problem. You guys can hang out here if you like, but I'm going to split and do some lunch, and there's no trades going to be done. And this afternoon when it weans down, I'll just close it out. But I'll keep it open for another little bit. Everyone else should sign off and leave because there's no more calls. So sign off and leave. I'm going to shut off the ticker TV, and we're done for the day. Watch the people leave in the room. We went from 100 before, up in the 80 range to 56. That's it, guys. We made a deal. Once you're done for the day, you quit. It's my number one thing. Look. Right here, check it out. No pre-market trading, and once you're done for the day, that's it. You're done for the day, you quit. Write it down in front of you if you need to. It's my permanent reminder. It's my promise, and I'm done. See you later, guys. Sign off. There's 52 left. Sign off. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. 43. Sign off. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Ticker TV. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week, and Friday we'll do another one of these. See what we can end it with. Sign off. 38. Tuesday, correct. Monday day off.